So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about TTML share. So previously, when we discussed about this particular stock, we have done the complete technical analysis. We have discussed all the important supports and resistances, like few swing traders who are asking for the levels where we need to book profit. So for them also clearly I've explained all the levels. So today we have seen again a reversal in the stock. So we'll try to do the next set of technical analysis to find out all the supports and resistances. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts for intraday, swing or long term. Anything I'll provide when there is a necessary. And you can also see today few stocks which were in lower circuit, so when they started reversing, I've given that particular update as well. Okay, so I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so before we move towards the technical charts of TTML, so first we'll try to analyze the day-to-day wise delivery. So that is, we'll try to see how the traded quantity was changing with respect to deliverables. So if we see the stock in a larger time frame, that is, if we try to compare in 1 week or 2 weeks, we can see continuous movement the stock has generated. So daily we used to observe upper circuits. So at some point of time, obviously the circuit will get opened, profit booking will happen. So same thing was observed in TTML. So but when I have discussed my levels, I told somewhere around 150 you can see the circuit getting opened and little bit of profit booking may be observed. But the stock, as I told, from 143 rupees itself we have seen a little bit of correction. But nevertheless, since it has started retracing again, so it is a very good stock for long term. So that is one important thing that you need to remember. So I'm talking about swing traders who wanted to book profit, that is, who are having heavy quantities. So let's say they wanted to book a half portion or 3/4. So for them, I was telling you can check out 150 rupees level. So now we'll go to technical charts. So we'll discuss all the regions. So observing deliverables, since it was continuously in the upper circuit, so obviously 100% deliveries would be visible. But in the last 2 sessions, since one day the stock has opened and has given around 3.5% movement, and the immediate next day we have seen a direct lower circuit. Okay, so let's go to charts, both on daily chart and weekly chart. We'll try to do the complete analysis. Okay, so when we try to observe the weekly chart of TTML, so once you see the weekly chart, you can see back to back 4 weeks we have seen big red candles because of the back to back upper circuits. So as I told, in between the stock has given little bit retracement, but again the buying volume used to be generated and it used to close in the upper circuit. So this week, as I told, in the previous 2 sessions we have seen little bit of correction. So that is the major reason why we are seeing this particular wick is generated. But if we see the last weeks also, in that point of time also the stock used to get open. So in between profit booking happens, and that is obviously necessary. So if profit booking is not there, so new people cannot buy it, fresh entries cannot happen. So you need to place daily in the morning itself the orders. So when it is getting open, so you can average. If you are planning to average, let's say I've taken at very low levels 100 rupees or 70 rupees. So now you'll get an opportunity to average your position. And if you're planning to have a fresh entry, so we'll discuss the levels as well. But for time being, you can take that 143 as a very strong resistance from where the stock has started retracing. Okay, so this is in weekly charts. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so when we try to observe the daily chart, so this is the daily chart, you can see continuous uptrend in the stock. So in between it used to give a small retracement, but that retracement was always a temporary. Again, because market, when it starts retracing, so all these stocks also start going in the upside direction. Okay, so when you clearly observe the chart, so we can see the same type of pattern earlier also was generated. So it has opened again from low levels. We have seen a little bit of buying, but the color of the candle, you can see it was in red color. So the next day itself we have seen a direct lower circuit, and today again a sharp reversal in the stock. So 143 rupees level is going to be very important. So if it closes above that region, so then the first target would be somewhere around 150 plus, second target obviously 175 followed by 200. So these can be the near term levels. So only thing is that particular zone it should break out, then we can expect these targets. Okay, and many people got into panic mind when it has recently given that lower circuit. So obviously when any stock having a huge uptrend, when suddenly it starts retracing, so many people get into that panic mind, but nothing to worry. So it's a very good stock for long term. So in between, any stock shows profit booking, whether it may be TTML, BCG, any stock. So continuously it's not possible. So you need to have that patience and you need to average at the right levels. Okay, so any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. And also if you want any personal you want to clarify any doubts, also you can message me in WhatsApp. So that number is also there in Telegram group. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.